I'm just cutting all the pieces to length right now. They're roughly 7 inches long. I'm trying to make some handles for the shop. On this one, I've got the it's into the blanks. I've got a stainless steel threaded screw, and I cut the head off and put a stainless steel cap nut and another nut up against it to lock it to keep it from spinning down too much, and it lets me run the inserts in. I'd used the softer metal screws at one point, but you know, after about 4 or 5 of them, the screw would just fatigue and break off, and I thought, well, I'll try stainless. I got all these handles done, which was, I believe, 12 of them with one setup. I'm making some handles for the cabinets out in the shop. I'm making them similar to this that I made for the island. This one's in cherry, and I'm going to make some out of white oak, which I've got them here. I've got the inserts already placed, and you can kind of see them sunk in there. And Rockler sells this insert tool for the 1/4 20, and they also have them for the 5/16 and the 3/8, but they don't make one for the 832 insert, which is unfortunate, because for the last couple of years I just grabbed an 832 bolt, and you know, you could get a few of them put in, and then the soft metal would just twist off and you'd have to make another one. So I went with a stainless steel one on this one and put a cap nut on it and locked it down, and this actually just goes right into the drill and you can run them in. It's pretty easy. It works really well. That angle for the handle. The rest I take out at the bandsaw. And there's the finished handle right there.